Hello, today we are looking at top 10 best multi-vendor WooCommerce WordPress themes to build a perfect and modern marketplace website. All the themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. All the links are given in the description so you can check them easily. Now let's start with the top 10 multi-vendor WooCommerce WordPress themes. Number 10 is Elab. Elab is a great theme to build a marketplace website using WordPress. This theme has more than 9 demos with different categories. Elab has a lot of unique features like multi-style headers and different design for product pages. Elab comes with its own page builder called XBuilder. With the help of this page builder, you can customize website by simply drag and drop. Number 9 is Deals. Deals is another multi-vendor marketplace theme for WordPress to build a websites like AliExpress and Alibaba. This theme has 2 unique demos and fully compatible with WooCommerce, Dokkan and other top-class multi-vendor plugins. The Deals has 4.9 ratings out of 5 star and a lot of positive feedbacks. Number 8. Reached. Reached theme is enhanced for online stores and multi-vendor marketplaces. This theme is fully compatible with the most popular multi-vendor plugins like Dokkan, VC Marketplace and VC Vendor. This theme is fully responsive to all devices and has a cool design in its all demos. Number 7 is Marketo. Marketo is also the best multi-vendor marketplace WooCommerce WordPress theme, having a huge number of sales with 4.8 rating out of 5 star. This theme has 16 unique demos and style with custom color options that are fully customizable and mobile friendly. Number 6 is eMart. eMart is a beautifully designed theme for multi-purpose marketplace website. This theme has more than 35 demos with all kind of possible categories to make a multi-vendor WooCommerce store in your favorite niche. Number 5. Martify. Martify theme is one of the top-selling WordPress theme in this category. This theme has 10 unique demos, creative design and 100% mobile friendly. Martify created for great user experience for the real sites like Amazon, Flipkart and eBay. This theme is also compatible with the 2 most popular WordPress page builder called Elementor and WordPress Bakery. Number 4. Bisa. Bisa is also another marketplace WordPress theme with a modern style that is suitable for any kind of online store. This theme is well optimized for Elementor, the drag and drop page builder. This theme comes with 90 plus pre-built templates and clean design. Number 3. Rehob. Rehob is the number 1 top-selling multi-vendor marketplace WordPress theme with more than 27,000 sales. One of the interesting things about this theme is that with a huge number of sales, it has a top-class rating 4.9 out of 5 star. Number 2. Elezy. Elezy themes comes with mostly preferred Ajax feature that allow users to perform real-time actions. Means no need to wait for page reloading. This theme has 4.9 ratings out of 5 star with more than 3.5k sales. Number 1. iBit. iBit is our number 1 multi-vendor WooCommerce WordPress themes of this list. This theme is fully compatible with the most popular multi-vendor plugins like Dokkan, VC FM, VC MP and VC Vendor. The theme is fully responsive to all devices. This theme has 25 unique demos and creative design. So which one you should choose? Being a web developer, it is highly recommend you to choose a Rehob theme because it has a great features and very fast loading speed in Google Page Speed Insight. That is mostly demanded for any website to load faster for better ranking. So this was the list of top 10 multi-vendor WooCommerce WordPress themes. Links are given in the description so you can check them.